In Creo Parametric 10.0, there is broadened support for the modernized project and offset tools that were initially introduced in Creo 9. The following 5 capabilities have been added. Number 1. The project tool supports the All Curves in Feature collection rule. The rule is accessible when toggling through the chain collection methods using right mouse click. It is immediately offered when hovering over the second curve during selection, and it is accessible from within the chain collection dialog. Number 2. The modernized tools are now also offered in Sketcher workflows for trajectory-based features. This includes, for example, the curve pattern feature, the flange feature, the manufacturing features turn profile and turn envelope, and the sweep feature as illustrated here. The demonstration shows the usage of a cross-section curve, subsequent trimming of it, and the completion to a closed profile that is then swept to create geometry for a second body. Number 3. Project and offset tools now support the construction geometry creation mode. Number 4. There are usability enhancements to ease usage of projected or offset geometry. While the projected or offset geometry is a composite curve, you can now reference individual entities of it from within action object-based dimensioning and constraint creation workflows. Specifically, this includes the dimension creation tool, the constraints creation tools, and some other tools such as the concentric circle and the concentric arc tools. This illustrates how Creo 10 combines the chain selection advantages introduced in Creo 9 with additional flexibility to work with the result of project or offset operations. Also, fillet, chamfer, and mirror tools work better with composite curves in Creo 10. Referencing an entity of the composite curve will add an explicit reference to the chain or loop that you can see from tools outside Sketcher such as Edit References or the Reference Viewer. In this example, the first reference stems from the loop anchor, the created dimension, and the midpoint constraint. The second reference was added from the equal constraint for the circle diameter. The third reference was added when the tangency constraint was applied between the circle and the edge. And the fourth and fifth ones had been added during creation of the two concentric circles. Enhancements number 5 and 6 relate to more detailed reference and troubleshooting information. When you work in assembly mode, the reference information now indicates names of referenced components for external references. And finally, there is more detailed what is wrong troubleshooting information for chain references used in project and offset operations that fail regeneration. Overall, Creo 10 allows easier and more flexible usage and handling of the project and offset tools along with their related chain references and composite curve geometry inside Sketcher.